everyone. Welcome. It's Kathleen at Kathleen Elise, and I'm coming to you today to introduce to you, to announce that I am launching my course, 5 Days to Better Fluency in English. Now, this is going to be an email course, a self-study email course that will have a price tag on it. And in celebration of launching it, I'm offering it for this one time only as a 5-day workshop. So we will walk through each of the days of the course, but we'll walk through it together, and you'll get tons of in-depth explanation about the different steps to becoming fluent in English. And not just fluent, like people think of fluency as, oh, I can speak it quickly and I know all my grammar and I'm pretty clear and people can understand me and I can have a conversation. But fluency is really, it goes beyond just being able to have a technical conversation or things on that vein. It goes into the culture and the development of the language and the culture and the people, so that you can truly understand how English speaking people think and how they feel and why they think that way, why they feel that way, why they behave the way they do. So this course will walk you through my 4 pillars of 360-degree fluency in English, which are speaking English, writing English, business English, and social English. And so each day we will tackle a different pillar, and the 5th day we'll have room for lots of questions and answers, and just to make sure to walk you through and make sure that you have all of the practice that you need, particularly when it comes to speaking English. We're going to spend a lot of time on recreating accurately the sounds of English. And so really understanding how things work and why you might be struggling, and where we can fix things for you, how we can help you to think in English. We're going to take that term. If someone says to you, oh, you have to think in English if you're going to speak in English, well, what does that mean? We're going to break that down, and we're going to, walk you through it and really make sure you understand what that means so that you can put it into practice, because it will make a huge difference in your ability to communicate fluently and fluidly in English. So that's just one of the days. So then we're going to help you with writing English and again, business English. How do you handle certain situations? Just walk you through different aspects of doing business with English speaking people and doing business in the language of English. That's really going to help you not only function through your day and get your job done, but help you to stand out. And then we'll go through the social English end of things. How do you interact with people when you're not in the office or you're not doing business? And what are the different types of social situations, and how do they differ? How does the behavior differ? How does the language differ? Things like that. So just know this is not going to be a grammar course. It's not learning the technical aspects of the language. What we're doing is we're taking you beyond that, and we're taking you to a point where you can say, okay, this is what I know about English, but now how can I really take it into myself and understand it? So taking it from the knowledge, the technical, oh, I've learned this, to really knowing it inside of yourself and being able to have it. We're going to get you put on the right track, getting these first steps forward, jump starting your fluency, to taking it from the head into effortless usage. Okay, so that's what this is all about. And this is the only time this is going to be offered as a live course. And it is an intensive workshop. It'll be 5 days, starting February 5th, I believe it is, all the way through the 9th. So the 5th through the 9th is the actual course, the actual workshop. And on the 10th, we're going to have graduation ceremony for those of you who follow it all the way through and put all the work in for it. So the link to the page, the explanation page, sales page, is in the comment section, and that will take you to not only the page that explains everything that you're going to get, what it's all about, who this is for, who's going to benefit the most from this, and why it's such an amazing opportunity to do this for free. And then it will also take you to the registration. The registration page will be at the bottom of that, so you can sign up for that. Now, it may show you that it's going to look like a checkout cart, but don't worry about that, because the price on it is $0, and so you won't be paying anything for it. This is free to sign up, and so again, there's a key reason why this is such an amazing deal, and an amazing opportunity to help you really, I'm going to say jumpstart your English fluency, but help you clear up things that have really been bothering you. Come to the workshop, get your questions answered, learn a new way of thinking, and just get moving on your English fluency. So like I said, the link will be in the comments, and if you have any questions, you can always message me, write them in the comments, and I'll make sure that they're answered. Okay, so I'm sure I've missed things. I get so excited about this, and my brain just darts from topic to topic, so I'm sure I've missed stuff, but there'll be much more information throughout the month. So register, because everything is going to be, you're going to have access to the recordings, come live, so you get the experience and you get the actual help right then and there, but you'll have the recordings to come back to. It's lifetime access, so you can't lose here. So register for the workshop, and I can't wait to see you there. All right, bye-bye.